Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tellow Family Kitchen. Hope you're having an outstanding day. We're continuing with our theme of Mediterranean style cooking. And if you were with us last time, we made some yellow rice. And I thought today, how about another one of my mom's classic recipes? It's green beans. Now green beans are not only healthy and delicious, but they go perfect with the yellow rice. Here's the ingredients we'll be using. Here's the green beans. Later we'll add some olive oil, turmeric, salt, black pepper, this is tomato sauce, and some cumin. But the first thing we need to do is wash the green beans. Give them a quick wash over here. Just like that. And then we're going to need to cut them. Now this is the key. My mom showed me how to cut them. You cut each end like that. Cut it in half. So on this you just want to cut the ends off and slice it in half. Being very careful, you don't want to cut yourself. A lot of chefs talk about the claw there. Kind of keeps your fingers in. Okay, that's the last one. So now that we got all the green beans cut, we'll start moving them into our pan. Now that we have all the green beans in the pan, for about this much green beans, we need 3/4 of a cup of water and about a teaspoon of olive oil. So we'll start there. Trusty friend olive oil. A teaspoon there. Sprinkle it in. And then this is a half a cup of water. I'll add that. And then get another, about half a cup. There we go. Next we'll add a few more ingredients, starting with the salt. We're going to add about just a pinch of salt here. There. A little bit of black pepper. Just about a pinch according to my mom. Then we're going to do also a pinch of cumin. Put the cumin in our bag here. Pinch of cumin. And the last ingredient we need is the tomato sauce. And according to my mom's recipe here, we're going to do about 1 teaspoon here of tomato sauce. Okay, now I believe we have all the ingredients in for our green beans. We're going to mix them in and then get our heat on. We'll put it on about, for this amount of green beans, we'll use medium heat. Now that we mix that up a little bit, then we'll cover it and let it start boiling. Now that it's started boiling, we'll put it on low heat. Also with this, it depends on how hard or soft you'd like the green beans. If you want them more soft, we can cook them a little longer. And periodically checking the green beans. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more water here. There we go. We'll keep an eye on that. Okay, after about 10 minutes now, let's check them and see. As you can see, they look pretty soft. One way you can tell, as my mom told me, you can try to break one in half. If they break pretty easily, that means they're pretty soft. This is also what we want them to look like. And then we'll put them in a plate over here. Smells really good. And then let's just give them a taste. See what they taste like here. Those are perfect ingredients. Great recipe from my mom. Thanks so much to her for not only sharing the recipe, but for running the camera. You're the best, Mom. Also, these green beans will go perfectly with the yellow rice that we made. And for the ingredients and recipe for the green beans, they're at the bottom of the video. And hope you join us next time for another delicious Mediterranean style dish.